spider mites can quickly devastate a crop if left unchecked. To counter them, we use a highly specialized biological agent, the predatory mite Phytoseiulus persimilis. To deliver these predators efficiently to your grow space, they are packaged into a commercial product called Persimilis Force. Depending on your operation's scale, this product arrives in 4 specific containers: a 30-milliliter vial, 8-ounce bottle, 16-ounce bottle, or 1-liter tube. Your immediate objective is straightforward: transfer these live mites from their packaging directly onto the infested plants without harming them in the process. Because these organisms are biological agents, the specific mechanical steps of the release protocol are designed to ensure they survive the transition to the leaf. First, you must consider your specific growing environment. Persimilis Force is approved for vegetable crops, soft fruit, ornamental plants, hemp and cannabis, and tree or shrub nurseries. While a densely packed cannabis canopy looks very different from an open shrub nursery, the physical mechanics of releasing the mites remain identical. By mastering this one standard operating procedure, you can confidently deploy this biological control across any agricultural layout. Step 1 begins before you ever open the container. Inside, the mites are mixed with a carrier material, and you need to ensure they are evenly distributed. Hold the sealed bottle horizontally and gently rotate it end over end. You must keep your movements smooth, slow, and deliberate. Avoid treating the bottle like a chemical spray. You should never vigorously shake it. In this cross-section, you see why shaking is fatal. On the left, high-velocity impacts crush the fragile mites. On the right, gentle rotation maintains a circular flow, allowing mites to shift evenly without damaging physical stress. Treating the sealed container as a fragile living ecosystem is the essential prerequisite for a viable release. Now that the mites are dispersed, carry the bottle directly to the specific area where the crop is actively growing. The cap must remain firmly sealed during this entire transit. Opening the container early in a staging area or hallway allows mites to escape prematurely. Any predator that falls outside the crop canopy is completely ineffective against your pest problem. To preserve your resources, only expose these biological agents once they are physically inside their designated hunting zone. Inside the treatment area, scan your canopy to locate the most heavily infested plants. These will serve as your primary deployment targets. Once you are standing over an infestation epicenter, carefully open the container and position it above the plant. Gently tap the side of the bottle, coaxing the carrier material out so it cascades directly onto the broad foliage below. This canopy heat map illustrates the correct strategy. Concentrate the product onto the darkest red zones, the heaviest spider mite clusters. After consuming these, the predatory mites migrate outward, systematically clearing the rest of the canopy. Concentrating your troops at the point of maximum pest density gives you the strongest immediate impact against the infestation. Eventually, the container will appear completely empty of all carrier material and visible mites. Do not throw the bottle away just yet. Instead, wedge the open container securely between the branches or leaves right there in the treatment area. Leave the container exactly where it is, completely undisturbed, for a full 24 hours. There are always microscopic stragglers clinging to the interior plastic walls. This extended window gives them time to safely dislodge and crawl out into the crop. Exercising a little patience here ensures you extract the absolute maximum biological value out of every unit you deploy. At this point, the active phase of your deployment protocol is complete. Your only remaining physical task is to return after the 24-hour mark to collect and discard the empty plastic packaging. Meanwhile, deep inside the plant canopy, an invisible biological management process is actively hunting and neutralizing your pest population. To review further documentation on our complete line of biological controls, visit greenmethods.com. By executing these exact mechanical steps, you guarantee that your predatory mites are perfectly positioned to bring the infestation under control.